Something interesting I've seen on some of the electric cars and the plug-in hybrids. The electric cars tend not to use brake pads and discs as much because the motor helps with some of the braking. So one of the byproducts is sometimes kind of dirt and grime can build up on in between the pad and the disc. So say the car's parked up for a couple of weeks or something like that, you'll just find where the disc had met the brake pad, there's a bit of grime or whatever that's built up, and you can hear in the background as you pull away. And the thing is, on a normal car where you do a lot of braking using the brake pads and discs every time, it doesn't really build up like it. It's just more so on cars that use more regenerative braking. So similarly, like we were saying, a plug-in hybrid Tucson would have the same thing as well. So anyway, two ways to solve it. First of all, just drive the car out the road, use the brakes a lot for the first couple of kilometres, or brake really hard. Or there's another function. When you go into auto hold here, keep your finger on auto hold for about 5 seconds. And you see while you're doing that, so 5 seconds later, function called brake disc cleaning comes on, and that'll just speed up the whole process of cleaning the brake disc. So a little bit of friction between the pad and the disc gets rid of the corrosion or the dirt or whatever's built up, and then when you're finished you can just turn it off by holding the auto hold function. So if you're not familiar with it, you might find it useful. Thanks for watching.